There comes a moment in every human life when something deep within begins to question everything. Not just what you do, but who you are becoming. In that moment, you realize you are not finished. You are still under construction. What if your identity is not something you inherit or accept, but something you actively create? What if you are the designer of your own becoming? Self-creation is the conscious process of designing your inner world, so your outer life reflects your highest potential. It is deliberate evolution, step by step, thought by thought. Everything begins with awareness. Before change can happen, you must see yourself clearly, without illusion. Awareness is the mirror that reveals truth. Human growth is not one-dimensional. It expands across physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, and universal levels of experience. As awareness deepens, you begin to observe your patterns, your thoughts, your reactions, your beliefs. From this observation, you begin to install new ways of being. Old limitations begin to lose their power, conditioned beliefs dissolve, and in their place, a new identity begins to form, aligned with clarity, purpose, and higher consciousness. As Socrates said, the unexamined life is not worth living. Without reflection, there can be no transformation. Without awareness, there can be no evolution. This is your invitation to begin, to awaken your highest identity, and to become the best version of yourself. I Am Free to Be the Best of Me by Dr. 𝑣𝒎 𝑭𝒓𝒆. Get your copy today.